Yo, yay, we're back. Just checking internet connection. Seems like everything's fine, guys. So I don't know what is going on. But anyway, let's go back here, straight into the stream. Let's get back here with Bitcoin, with the rest of the markets, of course, the comment section, and talk about what is the potential scenario, of course. Yes. Yeah, talking about Bitcoin. We're at a difficult range at the moment. Difficult range. We've been going sideways for quite some time. Let's see if we do get that leg down. It would be nice to get that leg down, in my opinion. So we can get a potential pump, a higher low. DXY looks great because it is hitting a major resistance zone, guys. Okay, it is hitting a large resistance zone. Like I said, it's the value area low from the entire month of December of 2022 right over here, and it's just, you know, getting that resistance right now. So I would expect a pullback in the next 1 to 2 days from the DXY here in the short term. Now, of course, if this does happen, this is relatively good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin could get a little bit of pumpy action, meaning that we are finally going to break above this zone. Now, if we do take a look, zoom out here, where we're currently at here for Bitcoin. I'll go through the comment section, guys, now, right, in just 1 second. Look at the value area low from this massive trading range here from mid-January till today, right? Almost a month of price action. Not exactly a month, around about 20 days approximately. But value area low holding nicely. We're currently slightly above point of control. The value area high is big resistance. This is 23.3k. This is a level that we need to have to check in the next coming days if we do arrive at, you know, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. It's a big rejection level. That is another level that I would consider entering into a quick short position, because it is a big zone. It's a monthly level. Monthlies are one of the strongest horizontal levels. We know that. It's monthly close and open. It has been proven to be resistance and support. We successfully broke down from it. We haven't retested it. If we retest it, I do see at least one rejection from it. Now, I want to play defensive trading, of course. Once we, you know, hit that level, we're going to have to be looking for potential take profit zones, right? Because what we need to find out here are support levels. Because yes, I can enter a short position here, but where are you going to take profits? Because I know a lot of people enter trades not knowing where to take profits, and this is what you need to know. If I enter a trade, I need to know where I'm protecting position, where I'm taking profits, where I'm putting my stop loss. Because if I don't know, I'm not entering that trade. So if I do enter that short position at that level, I'm going to have a nice, sweet, tight invalidation point, which is going to be above this last lower high range and this high volume candle right there. Got a high volume candle. The back would be my invalidation point of this range if I enter a trade right there. Except the stop loss, if it does get hit, you know, you have an invalidation. If the price action does get above successfully this range, I do see higher levels coming. Now, support, enter a short. Where is there a big support level? Obviously, you can see the value area high here on the 1 hourly, having several 1 hourly closes right there. 1 hourly close right over here. It's pretty obvious that this level is a strong level. It's not only the value area high. You can see those several 1 hourly candle closes and opens at that level. So that would be obviously a level where if you're going to hit, you're going to bounce from this zone. Very, very possible to come and test the highs again. So you got two scenarios here. We know price action does this. When we break out from a zone, it also does this. I mean, all depending on the power, we need to have invalidation points, right? So you got a couple of trade scenarios right over here. At least 1-2 bounces where you do know you are likely to have this, guys. So what you need to do is only to be ready. You need to be ready to take action and to have good risk management on those potential setups, guys. It's just like yesterday. I'm really into scalping and day trading right now because we're in a difficult zone for me on the higher time frames. It's not easy for me to figure out, is Bitcoin going to go break above 25k, or are we going down to 9k? You know, there's just so much mixed sentiment. The technical analysis, you know, there's a bearish and there's a bullish case scenario, of course, with Elliott wave counts, you know, and technical analysis. The technical analysis on the higher time frames doesn't tell me that we're going to 12k, but it also doesn't tell me that we're going to 30k, you know. So I'm just focusing to trade the lower time frames till we find bigger breakouts. And no doubt in my mind, if Bitcoin gets above 25.2k, I'm going to call the bottom is in. I'm going to say the bottom for Bitcoin is officially in my personal opinion. And we're going to be looking for the next higher low from 15k, right? Like I've explained this multiple times. This is still trending down. This is still the last lower high of 25.2. We don't break above 25.2. This is still trending down. Now, yeah, if we do break above this level, the bottom will be in, because we will likely create a higher low whenever that happens, you know, all depending on what kind of price action we do have here. But the bottom will be in very, very likely, unless we have a massive black swan event that will break the technicals. But we'll go through a higher time frame technical analysis in a daily update, not on a live stream. So focusing more on the lower time frame, basically, guys, to get into those nice, sweet trading scenarios, just like yesterday. These are the kind of trading setups that I want to find here on the lower time frames. High probability trade scenarios on lower time frames. Quick bounces and rejections. You know, get in the trade, collect, you know, get that money in your pocket and just leave. We are going to dump to 19k soon, which is the value area low for the last 6 months. Wow, let's take a look at that. Dump to 19k, sorry. 19k in... When is that? In the next... we're going to dump. We don't... No timing here. For the last 6 months, value area low. Yeah, I think we talked about this range. Value area low is 19k range. Yeah, point of control, value area low, it is round about that level. Funny enough, we are actually below the value area high again. Kind of a failed breakout here, right? I mean, I do see that macro correction happening. We talked about this several times. It's just been very, very boring. On the high probability of a correction here, as we do count this as Elliott wave counts right there. You know, there is speculation that this could be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or that we are still in the third wave, and you know we are about to create the fifth wave, which is going to be that failed breakout. Yeah. Anyway, whatever happens, we'll be identifying where we could get those heavy bounces, all right? So it doesn't really matter right now, as we want to focus on lower time frame trade scenarios. Beautiful, beautiful rejection here from the DXY at this level. Oh my goodness, this does look like it wants to correct, guys. I would be... You know, it would be absolutely beautiful if we were to see Bitcoin getting a bigger dip here. Slight bigger dip. It would be nice to see that dip to this zone and then, you know, create a higher low, getting into that value area low, getting to the 618, right? 618 from this low to the high of this trading zone. That would be an absolute great level. I think it will fake out from the value area low and then get the bounce, which is around about 22.8k level. At least to test a 618 from this drop over here. I mean, that would be a nice, beautiful stay trade right there. Would be looking for that. Of course, if DXY starts dropping aggressively here, then I don't see I see the price bouncing from the range. We got nice potential double bottom here on S&P 500. Nice potential double bottom on the ES to come back up to test that monthly level at 4,137 points. Double bottom scenario here about to play out on the ES. I'm actually probably going to long the ES on Prime XBT. I do like Bitcoin though as well, not gonna lie. Just about tested this low. Yeah, being patient, just being patient. Not being scared, being patient, waiting for the highest probability levels to get the bounce. Did you long ES? No, I didn't. What you just drew is exactly what QNT has done, says Sam James. Position protected. Andy, share your wisdom on Ocean in a short from 56 cents. Let's take a look. But let's take a look at QNT. What I just drawed is what happened to QNT. What was that though? What was it? Let's take a look. Ocean Protocol. What's going on with Ocean? I still hold some of Ocean in my portfolio. I'm actually glad it's up. This was down all the way down to 15, 16 cents for the last, entire almost 6 months of 2022. Seemed like a dead project. Wow, this one's absolutely skyrocketing today. Absolutely phenomenal. Portfolio's up on this one today. The last few weeks. Absolutely great. I'm gonna have to check it actually. Not looking bad. Yeah, this one's going a little bit parabolic at the moment. Did manage to break successfully this massive low from the summer of 2021. Oh, is it hitting? Is it hitting? Or almost hitting the macro lower high trend line here. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't get too excited. I think a lot of you would be looking for shorting positions right here on Ocean. Let me just tell you one thing. This is not a moment to short right now till you see some clear exhaustion, some clear sideways action, some clear double tops. For the moment, I would not be looking for shorting opportunities here on Ocean Protocol. Ooh. Big level. Yeah, this 60-cent range is where we do have the end of this massive 60-65 level. The end of this massive, huge volume node. I don't think it's going to successfully get above 65 cents. We just have hit 56, 57 cents today. It's going to be fun to see this, guys, because on Ocean Protocol, the only level that I would consider to short on Ocean is, and Ocean is available on Bybit, of course, for an epic short scenario, because this could be that bear market rally, guys, where everybody's getting excited. I know it's got to do with AI as well, artificial intelligence, but and the bubble could continue the next coming months. on AI, but we're going to hit a huge lower high resistance trend line and the end of the large volume node on the volume profile from the volume trade of the last 3 years. Basically, we're looking at 3 years of data here, and that is going to be a huge resistance wall here at 65 cents. If Ocean Protocol price action, I'm going to put an alert right there, and I'm going to leave the chart open here. I'm just going to leave it at 60 cents. Add alert. As soon as we hit 65 cents, I'm going to be paying close attention on what kind of price action that we do here with Ocean Protocol, guys. Because if we start making that price action that we did with Aptos, then yeah, of course, we'll be creating a double top. Then we're creating, hit the 618. That is our shorting opportunity right over here. Let's see what kind of price action happens in the next coming days. Obviously, not a shorting level at this moment, in my opinion. We've only just pumped today, right? Like this. We've only today we have pumped on Ocean 27%. It's still in beast mode, no signs of exhaustion. Aptos, of course, was a really nice short. I actually closed my short on Aptos, even though I still think that this is just gonna fizzle down here in the next coming months, very, very likely. But closed the short, but this was the exact clear sign on Aptos. Double top, bang, double top, and this was also mentioned on a live stream, saying if we retrace to the 618 from this high over here, I'm in a trade. This one played out absolutely beautiful. High probability trade scenarios. I wouldn't short any of the AI coins. They are really potential now. Yeah, this is true. There's no way I would try to short AI coins. Just stay cautious. Ocean Protocol can be traded on, I'm not sure if much AI coins can be traded on Bybit. They probably have a few. I know Ocean Protocol can be traded on Bybit, guys. And you do have an insane bonus down below. Remember that, guys. It's another way to support the channel, of course. But you get the best bonus available. We're using the link down below, okay? It's $30,000 worth of bonus, okay? That can be claimed at the rewards hub depending on what you deposit, okay? PrimeXBT, my favorite to trade, stock market, but also you have different markets such as oil, gold, natural gas. You have Forex, you have a crypto as well. $7,000 worth of bonus, which is 7% added to your deposit, okay? You deposit 10K, you're getting $700 on top of your capital to trade with using Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promo code once you sign up with a link down below, guys. Check them out. They're my favorite platforms that I use consistently. The only ones I trade right now is PrimeXBT and Bybit. On PrimeXBT, you're using crypto as collateral. Bitcoin, USDT, USDC as well. They've got US dollar coin. So anyway, it's another way to support channel. I do get a small commission. You get the best bonus though. DXY is dropping. Yes, we got the DXY dropping from this major resistance zone, guys. Major resistance level on the DXY. Finally getting that drop. It's not yet. Not dropping yet. Hang on a second. Yeah, beautiful rejection. I would expect Bitcoin to actually get some pumpy action. S&P 500, double bottom confirmed. I mean, looking at both of the charts, double bottom confirmed, maybe to test all the way here at the highs, okay? I mean, I wouldn't get extremely excited. This would be a level-to-level trade right there. Level-to-level trade. But I'm going to wait patiently, guys. I would prefer, with good risk management, to get into trade on Bitcoin at this range over here, where we have the value area low and the 618 from this movement, confirming that we are likely going to get at least to the 618, which is going to be at the resistance trend line as well, lower high. You know the deal. We're still in a massive range. Let's trade the range. How can we trade the range? We're looking at support and resistance levels, right? So we've got a confirmed lower high right there. if price were to have a little bit of volatility, if we're lucky here to the downside in the next coming hours, value area low from this range is exactly here at 22.8k. A dip slightly below that level, in my opinion, is only going to give us a better entry to put stop loss below this wick over here. So get value area low, 618 from this low to the high, 61878 to get that consolidation, and I would be aiming for the lower high resistance trend line here. And also, I mean, this lower high resistance trend line or 618 from this high to the low. That would be my highest probability trade scenario inside of this range. So yeah, that's what I would be looking at here. I mean, this was not a bad short. This area was not a bad short at 23.3, $23,030, $23,040 range just a few hours ago. This was not a bad short with a stop loss above the high here. Obviously, I would be protecting position. I would be looking for the value area low to be hit. Defensive trading, guys. Defensive trading. Michael Saylor says BTC ruined his life. Did you hear that, guys? Are you serious? Are you serious? I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I want to actually take a look at that. Michael Saylor. Did he actually tweet on this? I don't believe it, because he's an absolute Bitcoin maximalist. I mean, he is really, really into Bitcoin. I mean, his whole entire Twitter is still based on Bitcoin. Stay humble, stack sats. This was only yesterday. Just imagine. He's got the Bitcoin fever, so he's absolutely in love with Bitcoin. This was only 2 hours ago. Bitcoin is security. It must have been a fake news, of course. Very likely. So yeah, it's not true. This is fake news. I can't stop laughing with that audio with Michael Saylor. Yeah. Okay. Fake audio. Fake audio. It was an AI voiceover. Okay, it was an AI. Stay cautious, guys, because there's going to be a lot of fake news. A lot of fake news, guys. AI is going to absolutely create really weird stuff in the next coming months and years. We need to be very, very careful with what we see out there, guys. Most of the things on Twitter as well is fake news anyway, so we need to be very, very cautious with reading what's on there. Awandi is saying, I trade SHIB using 50x yesterday, lost all of my money. Stay very cautious with trading, guys. Trading is a very, very disciplined game. Look at this. I am not trading at the moment. I'm looking for potential scenarios where I could place stop loss, where I could take profits. You know, high probability movements on the chart, guys. Stay extremely cautious. Altcoin Daily did a video on it about the Michael Saylor voice. Yeah, that's pretty fun. Guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. That was pretty awesome. Pac-Man, thank you very much for joining the live stream, my man. Joseph also. Pamela Anderson, when Wi-Fi? Yes, I got a bad internet connection as I do live in a village. But anyway, internet connection is there. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up, okay? You know the potential scenarios that I'm looking for here. Potential levels of resistance on Bitcoin. We've got the monthly level, proven support level. We could get a reaction from that range, get a nice pullback. If we come down here, I do see us still creating higher lows, value area low holding, getting a bounce at least to the lower high range or 618 from this level. You know the scenarios, guys, here that I am expecting in the next coming hours, couple of days, to have that trade execution with high probability. Get those gains, put them in the pocket, and the next trade scenario will be another one. Thank you very much, everyone. Andy doesn't like that diamond. Andy doesn't like the look of that diamond pattern. Hey, looking at the DXY, knowing it could easily get a rejection from this range, like I said, right? Big resistance on the DXY. It could correct pretty heavily in the next 24 hours, 48 hours. You know, that's going to just help Bitcoin to get that pump. So this is not a tradable pattern, okay? It's just to indicate the possibility that we could go up. But I know the levels where we could really stop here, such as the 23.3, very possible to get that stop validation point at 23.4. And that's basically it, guys. Diamond bottoms are not really highly probable scenarios. Thank you very much, everyone. Smash up the like button. Sorry about the live stream cutting off before. Smash the likes, guys. Check out the links down below in the description. You do have insane bonuses down below for Bybit and PrimeXBT, okay? My favorite leverage trading platforms. Thank you, everyone, and I will see you in the next one.